Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M. Hardiansyah from 70B. NIM 1917200052.
Introduce myself. My name is Agustia Alvin Fernando from class 17-0B.
Introduce myself. My name is Rian Wahyudi. I'm from class 107B.
The source of the job application that I made is from the website https://recruitment.pln.co.id. Recruitment net job vacancies at PT PLN Persero is a state-owned company that deals with all aspects of electricity in Indonesia. Its main director is Sofian Basir, formerly President Director of Bank Rakyat Indonesia. Replacing Nur Pamuji, electricity in Indonesia began in the late 19th century, when several Dutch companies established electric power plants for their own needs. The exploitation of electric power for public use began with the Dutch private company NV and EGM expanded its business in the field of electric power, which was originally only engaged in the gas sector. Then it expanded with the establishment of other private companies.
Okay, I will explain part point number 2. The question, the position offered and the reason you applied for the job. The position offered by the company is very important for companies that are in need of employees and don't choose the wrong position because the company doesn't choose you to work with the company you are applying for. And in the application letter I made, I chose the mechanical engineering section that was needed by the company that I applied to, and the reason I applied for the job was because it was in accordance with the expertise I had.
I will present from the previous achievement on how to make a job application letter. Characteristic of a job application letter. 1. Place and date. Place and date are placed in the top right corner with no dots at the end. Example, Bandung 28 August 118. Attachment and subject. The words attachment and subject cannot be abbreviated as LAM or TEAM. The number in the attachment column are written in letter. Example, attachment 1 sheet and subject job application. 3. Mailing address. Does not use the word to. The suggest address is no more than 3 lines. Position must not use gender like father or mother. The word street at an address cannot be abbreviated. Do not use periods at the end of each line. Example, Dear Success Manager Mandiri, Jalan M. Yamin No 2, number 2, Bandung. Greetings. After the word with respect must use a comma. The word with respect shall be combined with the next sentence, although changing the line as usually can still be used. Example, your essentially based on blah 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 stay usable. Content. In the content there is an identity. That is an explanation in the form of name, place of birth date, address, last education, and can be added as needed. Example: name Zian Sahara, place of birth date Bandung, October 4, 178. Last education as one information system. Address Dukuturi Mumiayu Brebes. Purpose and objectives. It's a description of the response the sender or job application wrote the letter. Declared attachment. In this job application, there are several attachments regarding the recruitment that have been requested by agencies that require works. So that application must fill the requested attachment. In this attachment, at the end of each sentence, must use a colon, and at the end of the attachment use a prior. Example: photocopy of diploma which has been legalized. 2. Photocopy of identity card. And 3. To sheet 3 photo. As needed. Example: name Zian Sahara, place of birth date Bandung, October 4, 178. Last education as one information system. Address Dukuturi Mumiayu Brebes. Purpose and objectives. It's a description of the response the sender or job application wrote the letter. Declared attachment. In this job application, there are several attachments regarding the recruitment that have been requested by agencies that require works. So that application must fill the requested attachment. In this attachment, at the end of each sentence, must use a colon, and at the end of the attachment use a prior. Example: photocopy of diploma which has been legalized. 2. Photocopy of identity card. And 3. To sheet 3 photo. 6. In closing, we must show our enthusiasm in applying for a job at the agency we are aiming for. Example: that's the job application letter that I wrote. I hope to be part of the company. 7. Signature and clear name. The signature is in the lower right corner of the letter. Then your full name is written below it. Example: Sans Carly. Thank you.
Tips on writing cover letter according to my experience. Namely, the first, address a job application letter to a specific person, for example, the HRD, manager, or department head. Also include your name, title, company, and address at the top of the job application letter below the dates. The second, explain the purpose of your letter. Your cover letter does need to be purpose. In fact, according to career expert at Harvard.
Tips from me for writing a job application letter, namely, explain your strength, especially in the job position that is being applied. Better yet, if you attach several certificates as proof of this ability. Mistakes that seldom happen when writing a job application, namely misspelling and grammar. Before sending a job application letter, check the entire letter again. Make sure there are no mistakes in grammar and spelling.